Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and on this channel we love all things beauty, but let's be honest, if your hair is not done, your outfit is not complete. So in today's video, it's an install and review of this beautiful Isee hair. Something you'd like to see, then definitely keep on watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, share if you care. Isee came with all of the goodies, so let's get into this unboxing. Let's get started. I'd like to thank iseehair for sponsoring today's video. As you can see, you do get instructions on how to care for your hair. This is Brazilian hair in a natural color. Within the box, you do get a double-sided satin bonnet with a drawstring. I love this. As well as a spandex head tie, a scrunchie, false nails, a edge brush, a wig cap, and some false mink eyelashes. This was a pretty cool box. I love all of the goodies in it, but let's look at this hair. Right offhand, this hair is touchably soft, zero tangles, it didn't have a smell. The cap is a 13x4 cap construction with undetectable HD lace. It is meant to melt into your skin no matter your skin tone. Okay, so underneath the cap you have your 4 combs, 2 on each side, 1 at the crown and 1 at the nape area. You have your adjustable straps as well as your lace and a coupon code. Check that out, screenshot it, use it. Okay, so I combed the hairline back so I can see it a bit better. The only thing I used was water and got to be glue spray after putting this girl on my wig form. And as you can see, the hairline has this dip that our hair naturally does. And so, I mean, while that's cool and all, everybody doesn't have that. Like, can y'all see this? And like, look at my sideburns. My sideburns are so disrespectful all the time. Look at that. My sideburns be like, I'm here. And what about it? Okay, so the only thing I'm gonna do is spray a couple spots with the Got To Be Glue spray. Unfortunately, I did it again, you guys. I put my makeup on before applying this wig, but we're gonna get it right, okay? So I'm gonna let this sit for a moment and then I'll be back. All right, so let's take this off. What do y'all think about this ready-made hairline that kind of comes down in the front, goes back, and then like that is kind of like how our hair naturally, you know, comes out of our scalp? What do you guys think about this hairline? Due to the lace lifting a bit when I was cutting it, I'm going to go ahead and spray it again with some Got To Be Glue spray and then create some little baby hairs. I know a lot of you said that you don't like the lace front wigs or the lace wigs with baby hairs, but sometimes it's necessary. And for this one, I think it's necessary to have a little bit of baby hair. Okay, so while that is drying, I'm going to go ahead and section off the portion of the hair that I want to cornrow. So I'm going to have 2 cornrows here at the top. We got hair for days, y'all. This hair don't end. Y'all, can y'all see that? And for the rest of the hair, I really want to keep the natural texture. So I'm just going to spray it with water followed by some mousse. There is so much, like, she is a shedder, okay? I do want to make that known. So per usual, I am using the TGIN mousse. I love this stuff for my wigs. My wigs don't come out feeling super crunchy or anything like that. Now for the reveal. I don't know what this lace is gonna do. Like this lace feels really different from all of the others that I've used. I didn't use any of the combs in this wig, not even the back one. Okay.
You tell me something's gone wrong.
Money got my whole family going backward.
While this Bodywave hair is absolutely gorgeous, I couldn't help but want to straighten it. So I did wash the hair, set my iron to 450. Once the hair was dry, I began to straighten the hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray the top of my hair with the Got to Be Glued spray. Make sure it's smooth and tangle free, and then go in with the hot comb just to make sure my part line is as flat as possible at the top. Now what I didn't show for this second install is me actually installing it. So the difference is I installed this one without makeup on my face, which I should have did to begin with the first one. The hair was completely straight, I could really see the ends, and I wanted to add some face framing pieces and make sure that the ends of my hair was blunt. I know, right? The more you practice with a wig, the better you will get. So I think I'm getting a little bit better at installing wigs. And I'm still just using Got to Be Glued spray. I don't think I will ever use any wig glue on my head unless I'm like on a photo shoot and it is necessary. But anyway, I do have a little bit of baby hair here, but that's about it. And I cut that little widow's peak thing. It was just a little too much for my face, I felt. So surprisingly with the density, because to me this hair is pretty dense, however it is lightweight, it is manageable, and it's really soft, like extremely soft. However, the only thing I didn't like about the hair was the shedding. Now that it's straight and it's kind of like in its style, I can go through it and there's no shedding. But that was the only thing I didn't like about the hair. I like that I didn't have to fuss with the part line to get it flat. This hair ain't no joke, baby. I didn't have any tangles during the washing process or the styling process. Like, I could get through this hair very easily with the comb, no problem. I love it so much. I will leave all of the information and the links in the description box down below. Go check them out. And until the next time. If you wanted to know about this jumpsuit, I got it from Fashion Nova. Be loved.